Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another Git tutorial, that is Git Pull command. So let's get started with today's video. So you can see the documentation of Git Pull. So what does basically Git command do is it will basically fetch and download content from a remote repo, and it will update the local repo to match the content from the remote repo basically. And git pull also basically runs two command. One is git fetch and other is git merge. So it's a combination of these two commands here. So let me show you by example. So I'm showing you my remote repo here. You can see I'm having 5 branches here. Right now I'm on a merge branch. So now let me show you my local branches as well. So in terminal, write get a branch, and you can see I'm having 3 branches here: master, task, and tutorial. And right now I'm on tutorial branch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take pull of merge branch into my tutorial branch. So now let me change some files in local first. So in the index.php, write a one p tag, let's say git pull tutorial, and let's say change another merge branch as well .php. So right here pull branch merge origin, let's say. And first thing for git pull, make sure that your local changes are have commits. Let's change in contact as well. So just write contact. Now I'm going to commit my local changes. So git add dot and write git commit now, git commit command. So here write message, let's say pull command tutorial, and commit the changes. Now let me change something in my merge branch. I'm showing you changes in file because I want to show like if your local file maybe have a different text, and your server will have a different text. So if you are going to pull, then how basically it will be merged. So write one p tag and git pull tutorial, change it to pull. Now commit the changes. So now I'm having changes in my local and in server as well, and these are like different changes. So now let's pull the changes. So write git pull and write origin merge branch name basically, and origin we are writing as we are fetching from remote repo. So you can see in the output of this query that fetching is done first, then auto merging is started for index.php. But there is conflict in index.php that, and it stopped that it says auto merge failed. So it's just about the process. So open index.php. Here you can see you can accept the current change, you can accept the incoming change, or you can keep both the changes here. In merge branch file, I'm not having any conflict as only changes done in local. There is no changes in remote. But in index, there is change in local as well as in remote. So that's why there is a conflict. So here accept according to your logic, like which one you want to keep. So here I'm just going to, let's say, accept incoming change. So you can see on the same line, local changes is remote and remote changes is saved. So now let me show you again how you can solve conflicts. So let's say I'm going to change in merge branch.php file. So let's say write some text here. Let's say new pull request. So conflicts will be there like if you are changing, let's say in same file in your local as well as on your server, and let's say it's on the same line. So then there will be conflicts. Now commit the local changes, write git add and git commit command. Now let's change in server, that is remote repo. So here in merge branch, I'm just going to change in merge branch.php only. So here let's edit this file and write some text here as well. So let's say write pull tutorial, and in second line let's say hey there. So let's save this, and now in my local I'm going to pull this. So write git pull origin merge branch, enter, Now you can see there is conflict, and that conflict is in merge branch.php. So now let's accept both changes here. So you can see now local changes is also there and my remote changes is also there. So in this video, I have shown you how you can use git pull command and how to resolve conflicts. So if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.